Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, online students, can you hear me? Okay. So in last class, we have completed our first chapter, Introduction to Java. As part of Introduction to Java, we started understanding what is our course. Our course is Full Stack Java Development, right? As part of Full Stack Java Development, what are the different courses? What, as part of Full Stack Java Development, what are you learning? Developing a project. So there are two levels of project architecture is there. Number one, MVC architecture, microservices architecture. MVC architecture is advanced Java based architecture, end user to UI, UI developed by using HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and then interacting with the server side components, servlet and JSP, advanced Java, then core Java, then JDBC, then database. Okay, this is the old architecture, old technologies we are using to develop project. It is outdated in the market. Then in the currently market, we are using microservices architecture. As part of microservices architecture, we are using frameworks to develop this project fast. What the frameworks we are using? HTML plus HTML5, CSS4, Angular or React. Angular gone, React is there in the market. And then with this UI, we are interacting with the backend server side development, Spring and Spring Boot. Spring Boot interacting with the core Java interacting with the Hibernate place we are using Spring Data, and then directly interacting with the database. So from previous architecture to this architecture is not changed, only technology frameworks are changed. And very important, your project can be interacted by other projects also. That is, mobile applications can interact, swiping machine can interact, ATM can interact, and .NET projects, Python project, any other language project can interact. For that purpose, the communication channel for one project to another project is REST API. Okay, so this is called distributed or interoperable. Distributed or interoperable application we have to take. Then tell me now, what are the different courses to develop this project? To become full stack developer, what are the different skills you have to acquire? The skills required to acquire: typing skill, communication skills. The most important, typing skills. First, you should focus on typing skills, and next you have to focus on communication skills, and next problem solving skills, logical programming skills, and object oriented programming skills, and next UI programming, database programming, then server side programming, database interacting programming. Here also database is there, here also database is there. This is database programming, and this is database interacting programming. And next one is what? Fast development. Typing skills, if you want to acquire, what you have to use? Typing.com. The website already shown you, right? Typing.com. Communication skills, I suggest one app, Hello English. In mobile, you have Hello English, one app is there. Or you can also follow some direct websites or YouTube channels you can follow to improve your English. So very important, you have to start learning English also from zero. Zero means start from A. Okay, generally we will pronounce in our childhood, we pronounce A as A, but A is not A. You should pronounce as what? A. Right? Apple, apple, right? So there is a terminology, but pronunciation will be different. In our childhood, our teachers also not much focusing on that pronunciation, but we have to start pronouncing in a proper way so that our foreign clients can understand our English. I want to share my personal experience. My son initially studied in international school. Their pronunciation is studied in Cambridge University. All his teachers are foreign teachers, foreign country teachers, they used to teach. After that, from 6th class onwards, okay, because I should focus him on IIT level, engineering colleges. So I shifted him to the state syllabus. State syllabus teachers, English pronunciation will not be like a foreign teachers. It's a regular pronunciation like our Telugu pronunciation will be there. He struggled for 1 year to understand their pronunciation. Understand, every day he will come back to home and ask. And luckily that time, Corona was there, 2020. So he used to attend from the home, and he don't understand. Side next, I will also be there in the home teaching. I mean, work from home. He used to call me and ask, What he is telling, I don't understand. Okay, then I'm converting the pronunciation to his understanding pronunciation. Okay, then he started slowly. Now his pronunciation completely spoiled. Now he's talking in Telugu English. Understood my point? Yeah, but he's having that flow. If I take him to back once again for old days, then he can start pronunciation properly. Your communication skills, listening skills, writing skills must also improve. In a company, first you have to talk to your team lead, team manager who are speaking with the clients. His pronunciation completely different than your pronunciation. Listening first you should improve. Listening skills, then speaking skills. Your pronunciation also should be like a foreign pill. And not that much posh English not required. Not that Hindi, Telugu pronunciation slowly you have to improve properly. Listening skills, speaking skills. Also, you should improve your writing skills. Writing skills, why? You have to write mails to the client. When you're writing mails to the client, if you don't use proper vocabulary, proper word, proper grammar, you will not get good impression in front of the interviewer. In front of your client. So that's why English also you have to spend. From today onwards, daily, you have to spend 15 minutes on typing skills, 15 minutes on communication skills. Half an hour you have to spend for improving these two. And English and communication skills means don't feel now I have to study English. You are not studying English. You are learning how to speak in English, how to listen in English. So your mind thought process, slowly how it should be. Suppose if you take me as an example, I'm teaching Java. When I'm teaching in Java, my brain is preparing sentence in Telugu, then translating to English, directly speaking in English. Your thought process should be in English. But generally, when you want to speak in English with your friends, first you prepare Telugu sentence, converting to Telugu. First you are preparing Telugu or Hindi sentence in your mind, your native language sentence. Then you are translating it into what? English. That is what you are doing mistake. You want to speak in English, then English fluency only you should get. Your sentence should prepare in English only. Other language should not come to your brain. So that way you have to prepare. That's called communication skills. Daily from today, weekly once buy Hindu paper. Only every Sunday buy Hindu paper. Every Sunday. Can you buy? Around 5 rupees will be there the cost. That Hindu paper, from first paper, first word to last paper, last word, should complete reading for 1 week. You are buying Hindu paper for what purpose? For news purpose or English purpose? English speaking purpose, vocabulary purpose. Hindu paper is the best for you to improve your English. There is a huge vocabulary will be there. 100% I am assuring, one word also you don't understand except a, the. A will be there, the will be there. Okay, except that you don't understand Hindu paper. But if you start reading that Hindu paper, by 1 month, 45 days completed, unknowingly, you will start speaking in English with high standard vocabulary, high standard grammar. Don't try to understand. You just read. Sir, some words I cannot understand. Use Google Translator. Type that word. And there is a button called pronunciation button also will be there. Click on that pronunciation. It will only pronounce and tell you how to pronounce. You just follow that pronunciation and also repeat 5 times, 10 times. So daily one sentence or one paragraph you start read. That is Hindu paper. Second, Hello English app will be there in a Play Store. Go download. There also 30 lessons are there, free lessons. And then conversation, one tab will be there called conversation. Conversation tab you open, and there one small lines it will start giving you. Read it. Next, very important wrong mindset. Don't worry about the grammar. First I should learn grammar. I should use either, was, her, has, have. Next, what, shall, will. What should I use? Ing form, past, first tense, second tense, third tense. What should I use? This tense is only created a lot of fear in your brain to stay away from the English. Don't worry about grammar. Let me ask you a question. Just born baby after 1 year completed started speaking now in native mother tongue, Telugu, Hindi, Maria, Oriya, whatever. Then tell me, when that kid is speaking, does that kid know grammar? No. Mummy saying some words, repeating after her. Okay. And then when you are trying to tell something, any grammar mistakes or any vocabulary mistake, mother is correcting. Then who will correct me, sir? Hello English will correct you. Next, you take any LKG, UKG kid studying in international schools, they can speak English better than you. You people know is, was, grammar, present tense, past tense, this tense, that tense. Oh my God, 12 tenses, you know. Is that LKG, UKG kid, does she or he know grammar? No. But are they speaking any grammatical mistake, grammar mistakes? No. Perfectly they'll speak with the correct pronunciation. And how is it possible? They don't know grammar. What is present tense? They don't know. What is the past tense? They don't know. What is the future tense? They don't know. But correct English they're speaking. How they can speak? They feel that is their language, their mother tongue. Do you know in Telugu, Hindi, grammar, present tense, past tense, future tense? No. How can you speak? You feel that is your language. When you start speaking, automatically you will come to know what is right, what is wrong. Okay, na? So follow Hello English conversation tab daily and read Hindu paper. Automatically your English will be improved. So 15 minutes for typing, 15 minutes for communication you have to spend. Then next, problem solving skills, logical programming, object oriented programming. Don't worry, I will take care of it. These three I will take care. UI programming, HTML, database programming, Oracle course. Hope you already joined. HTML, Oracle, 2 courses joined or only one? Which one? Oracle. Okay. So 2 courses running now, right? Core Java and Oracle, or Core Java and HTML, or 3 courses. How many people join all 3? Oh, super. 2 only, any one of the 2, Core Java plus other. Okay. How many people are learning only Core Java now? Why remaining people remain not join course? Why? Okay, good. Raise once again. How many people taken only Core Java? I don't question you. I don't trouble you. Okay. Just I wanted to know. 1, 2, 3. Full hand, not half hand. Okay. Now tell me, you people, why you only join Core Java? Because of time problem or feeling I cannot understand? Okay. Tell me now. Only Core Java join, feeling I want only now Core Java. Other courses I cannot understand. Okay. Core Java only join because of time problem. Hey, remaining people what? Yeah, 2 options you didn't raise hand. Okay.
First one to learn Core Java and then after perfect in this and then we can proceed with the
Okay. You completed BTech already? When you want a job? When you want a job? After how many years you want a job? They depend on you only. When you are expecting job? 6 months. You want job in 6 months. After Core Java, you want to join other course. Then it take 2 years minimum to complete courses. Your senior important, I am important. Then why do you join my class? If you want to follow your senior suggestion, to your senior also, I am the senior, na? Why you want HTML? Senior told her. Who? Oh, first you want to learn HTML, then you want to come to Core Java. But seniors recommended Core Java learn first. That's why you join Core Java. And you don't have your own ideas. And ఎవరు ఏం చెప్తే ఇనేసి వెళ్ళిపోతావు దాని ప్రకారం. Okay, listen everyone. Again, I am reminding you all, don't follow your senior suggestions now onwards. Open statement I am telling, don't follow your senior suggestions now onwards. Your seniors are suggested wonderful one suggestion, that is Naresh IT HK Core Java, done. ikkadi nunchi meer nanne follow avvali. From here onwards you must follow me only. I am the senior to your senior also. Okay, if you follow your seniors followed wrong approach only, you are also following. Finally, your senior failed, you also failed. See your seniors troubling, you also getting troubles. Don't follow your seniors now onwards till courses completed. Only follow what I am saying. Your senior will say, "Hey, don't do that, right? It's very difficult." Or bonda. Okay, he don't know how to swim. I am telling that I will teach how to swim. Follow me. And no, my senior told, don't jump into water. Hey, I will jump. That time is different. Now it is time different, Rabbi. That time hibernate was there. If your senior say join hibernate, will you join hibernate? Hibernate Jamana over. There are so many courses are gone when your seniors learning. Now there are those courses not there. Minimum 2 courses you have to join now. Already 2 weeks completed, na? Already got idea on core Java programming. It's the time now you have to have second course in your pocket. Oracle. First priority is Oracle. Core Java, Oracle, these two now compulsory. You are not here to stay for 2 years. You are here maximum to stay 8 months. 8 months maximum you have to spend the time for full stack Java. More than that, you are spending, you are a wrong planned and wrong guided. Okay, so 8 months maximum, minimum 6 months, maximum 8 months. So now core Java 2 weeks completed. You have full-fledged idea in your mind what you learn, what to learn, how to learn. Now second course you have to choose is Oracle. Sir, why Oracle, sir? Why not HTML? For starting advanced Java, core Java, Oracle important. HTML is optional. Half of the course completed advanced Java, half of the course completed, then HTML required. Even you don't have HTML knowledge also, advanced Java faculty will take care. But Oracle course knowledge, if you don't have, you cannot join advanced Java. So, core Java, Oracle, first priority. In core Java, whatever you are doing, same thing you are doing in Oracle. What operators you are learning in core Java, same operators in Oracle. Okay, now what style of programming you are writing in Java, core Java, same style of programming you are doing in Oracle. So that's why core Java, Oracle both are same. So this week, if any new Oracle batch is starting, already started batch, don't join. Newly, first class onwards, if Oracle batch is starting, morning session. Last week, evening session started, na? Maybe this week, morning session at 11 o'clock or 7 o'clock will start. Join that Oracle batch. If you have already joined Oracle, it's good. Don't worry. Continue that. Okay. If Oracle batch is not started, sir, I want to join HTML. Then 3 courses you have to manage. Clear my point? Core Java, in core Java learning, problem solving, logical programming, object oriented. All these 3, 4, 5 skills I will take care. I will improve. UI programming, database programming, you have to join separate course. Core Java and Oracle first combination you have to join. If still your mind is accepting, feeling so much time is there, wasting the time, then choose join HTML. Sir, already I joined 3 courses. Wonderful. Continue. No problem. If you have only continuing core Java and you have still time is there, you are not college going student, you have time. Remaining 22 hours, what will you do? 2 hours only you join the course. Remaining 22 hours, lay down on the bed, rolling that side, this side, ante. So just realize, already you have wasted 4 years of time BTech. Again, you are coming to Ameripet wasting the time only. Yeah? Change your mind. Use your free time properly. Don't follow senior suggestion. Follow my suggestion. If I say something, you have to do blindly. Ante. And if you don't understand something, contact me. I will suggest you how to learn, what to learn. Clear? Any time you can write message to me on WhatsApp. Don't call. I will don't lift it. Either message or call. Both should be on WhatsApp only. Clear my point? Right. So core Java, in core Java 3, 4, 5 skills you are learning. And then Oracle. So totally how many courses you are joined now? Come on. 4 courses. Number 1, core Java. Number 2, typing. Number 3, communication. Number 4, Oracle. Totally 4 courses. Sir, where did you join typing skills, communication skills? Worst fellow, not institute. Are you catching my point? 15 minutes on your laptop with the typing.com website. 15 minutes on communication skills. 5 minutes Hello World app. 5 minutes Hindu paper. Understood? 5 minutes you try to do your revision. So 15 minutes typing skills, communication skills, half an hour. Core Java, half an hour to practice daily, half an hour sufficient. As of now, beginning days, half an hour is sufficient. Half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour practice. And then Oracle course, half an hour. So totally, after your 3 courses completed practice, how much time you have to spend? 2 hours. Totally 2 hours you have to spend. And finally, you are spending almost 6 to 7 hours you are working on these 4 courses. Still you are feeling time is wasting. Then join HTML. Otherwise, wait. Sir, already I joined. No problem. Then 4 courses you are dealing. Extra half an hour you are spending there here. And then. So these courses, up to 7 courses, you have to plan properly. Within 3 months to 4 months, you have to complete these 4 courses. By next 4 months completed, you should be very strong in typing, also very strong in communication, listening and speaking. Okay, after 4 months completed, you started watching every Friday one English movie will be released. Like our Telugu, Hindi movies, English foreign movies also will be releasing. Start watch that movie. Go to cinema theater. Complete 1.5 hour movie, you should understand each and every dialogue you should understand. Otherwise, your listening skills are not yet improved. Sorry, OTT or theater or whatever. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So first focus on these 7 skills, complete in 4 months, maximum in 4 months. And then you start understanding advanced Java and Spring next 4 months. So again, I'm reminding after 2 weeks, still if you don't listen me, if you're following your own style of learning, then you will fail in your career. You are wasting your money, you are wasting your time. Already uploaded, ready, Mana, Vijay, Chitti Kanna. Uploaded already. I am showing from your Google Classroom only, your Google Classroom. Okay. Don't take any photos. Don't waste space in your mobile. And then escape sequence characters program I have not uploaded. I forgot. I have already uploaded. So with this, our first chapter, Introduction to Java. Introduction to Java means introduction to your learning process, introduction to your software industry career, introduction to project architecture, introduction to full stack Java, introduction to the skills required, introduction to Java, introduction to core Java, introduction to the programming elements, introduction to the program development, preparing your complete platform. Now basement is ready. Okay, basement is ready. Now first floor tiling is started. Ready? Now we are constructing one building. Okay, first floor, basement is completed. Okay, it's the time now we have to start writing flooring. Ravi Kumar. Okay, I will share videos also here today. I will collect the videos from admin. I'll share here. You can watch it. Okay, na? I cannot teach again. I cannot waste the time again. Now let's start second chapter. Open notes. Chapter 2. Comments, identifiers and keywords. Comments, identifiers and keywords. Comments, identifiers and keywords. Actually, chapter heading is comments and Java tokens. Okay, actually heading is comments and Java tokens. Hey, don't change it. Chapter heading is what? Comments, identifiers, keywords. But original heading is what? Comments and Java tokens. So identifiers, keywords are called what? Tokens. Okay, but I don't want you use that word. This is the chapter, the most important chapter. As part of this chapter, you are learning what is comment, types of comments, what is identifier, types of identifiers, what is keyword, different operations we can perform by using keywords, and keywords list. Then Java new version changes from 1.0 to 21. There are so many differences, so many changes, so many enhancements are added. What the enhancements we are added, we are trying to understand. Next, what is a reserved word? We have a term called what? Keyword. Also, we have a word called reserved word. What is the difference between keyword and reserved word we are learning? Next, what is a Java Java token, types of Java tokens. What is the separator? Number of separators. What is the where, yield, record, sealed, permit? There are some special words are came. Are those words are keywords or not keywords? That also you have to learn. So finally, we are start understanding the most important chapter. Next one is what? Logical programming. As part of our logical programming, what are the things we have to learn? The first chapter as part of logical programming is this is the chapter. Okay, write down. Under that you are learning first one. For the chapter reading, comments, identifiers, keywords. Here, first one you are learning comments and types of comments. Second, you are learning identifiers and types of third one, keywords. List of keywords, rules. Yeah, online students, from this chapter onwards, you won't get recordings. If you have, if you done payment for recordings, you will get recordings. Okay. So don't trouble me or don't trouble admin for recordings. If you miss class, you won't get recording. Now onwards, you will get only material. You have to follow material daily. First chapter is demo classes, so recordings are provided. Comments and types of comments, rules. Identifiers and types of identifiers, rules. Keywords, their operations, list of keywords, rules. The next. Changes. Okay. Added in different versions from Java 1.0 to Java 21. Fifth, reserved word, types of reserved words, and their purpose. Difference between keyword and reserved words. Separator, list of separators, difference between separator and operator. Separator and operator. Can sit anywhere, ma. There is no restrictions. Now, let's start understanding comments first. First, we need to understand any topic we start. First, we learn with what? Any chapter you have to learn. There is a style of learning, our style of learning. You want to become master, we learn concept, entry questions, project development. So we will learn with the topic what. Every chapter we start with what. Don't write, listen. Why, then how, then where, then which. Okay, and whom is will not come now, coming days it will come. Okay, WH questions. And these are the 6 WH questions are there. What, why, how, where, whom, which, anything. When, whom place, what will come, when. Whom also will come in future. Okay, whom also will come in future, not now. These are the 7 questions we are going to learn every chapter so that you will become master in that particular story. Now, in place of whom we are learning sample, program, comma, interview questions and project. So this is the last topic, 7th topic. So now first we are understanding what is a keyword. Sorry, what is a comment. And next, why comment. Next, sample, program and comment. Then where can we use comment? The next, which comment is nothing but types of comments. Comment and types of comment. Which, why comment? And then sometimes this which will come down or coming up. So now here it is moving here as a 3rd point. Which comment is nothing but types of comments. Types of comments. And next, sample program sometimes will come down, sometimes will come up. Okay. This is 4 and this is 5. Sample program with comments. And next, 6th one, where can we use a comment? 7th one, when should we use comment? Already when is maximum will come in a y. In y only when comment, and here only when comment. Y comment and when comment, both 99% the answer for y and when will be same. Okay. And now I'm removing this when comment. And next, 5, 6, 7. Sample program already covered there. Interview questions. Interview bits. In sample program only project will be covered. Okay. So this is the 7 points we have to learn as part of this. Interview bits, nothing but compile time errors. Every chapter has compile time errors. You should maintain the list. Compile time errors and interview bits. Right. These are the 7 topics we have to learn. Write and fast. Completed? Now let me open Notepad. Tell me, this is our new chapter. Where will you store? Where will you save all these programs? In old folder, new folder. Let's create new folder. Go to your D drive and FSJD. Shall I copy this folder? Okay. Core Java, Java basic folder. I am taking it into this folder now. Paste. Jyoti Kumari, what is that screenshot? PDF is not opening. Then why did you send the screenshot? Error showing. That is not error. That is asking saving. Save it na. Save and open. That is not opening. That is saving. And why are you saving? I don't understand. Go to Google Classroom. Go to Google Classroom. Click on it. It will open. Why you are downloading? I don't understand. Why you are always doing something extra and confusing? Okay, listen guys. Now I am creating a second folder here. What is that? Comments, identifiers, keywords. I'm taking the shortcut CIK, comments, identifiers, keywords. Now, here I'm going to save my programs now onwards. Okay. I'm taking something. Everyone listen, please. I'm typing here something. Save it with the name, any name, your wish. Okay. D drive, FSJD01, comments, identifier, keywords. Here, I am saving with any name. I'm taking this program name as comments.java. Okay, Java file name is comments.java. Save it. Go to command prompt. Tell me how to open command prompt. I told open the folder where you save your Java programs.
Here.
Now CMD. Here type Java C comments.java. Sir, I didn't type anything. Abracadabra. Automatically coming. How? Java C I must type. After typing, what I'm saying? Abracadabra. Okay, magic. You have to press tab space. When I press tab space, tab key on the keyboard, then it will bring the first name available in the folder. It will show automatically. No, sir, I have so many files are there. I want particular file. Then first character you have to type. That is called filtering. C, type. The first file start with C will be there. Another file I want. Again tab. So that other files will come. Look at that. When I compiler throwing error. Comment.java error. Class interface enum expected. Class interface enum or record expected. What the new compiled error name you are seeing? Class interface enum or record expected. Okay, already last chapter printf method some rules you have written. Okay, println, printf method rules, errors you have written. Now continuation that this is the next rule. Are you writing compiled errors list maintaining or forgot? How many errors you know, that much strong you are in Java. Written test exam, you can easily pass. So the next compiled error you are learning is class interface enum or record expected. Sir, what is this class? I don't understand. What is this interface? I don't understand. Enum record, I don't understand. So that is a wrong thought. Already know class? Now, this is my Java file. Java file I started with what? This is the statement. ASL, LKF, something written. Compiler is saying that, Babu, in this Java file, you have written something here. I didn't understand. I can understand only what? Class. Every Java file should start with the class. If not class, what? Interface. If not interface, if not enum, record. So every Java file can start with only 4 words. What the 4 words? Class or interface or enum or record. Other than these 4, anything you write, I cannot understand and I will throw errors. Is it clear now? Right. Now tell me, I want to tell to compiler software. Compiler, I have written this line by my sake. Okay, I am writing this line by my sake. You don't worry, you just ignore it. Now tell me, how can I tell to compiler, this line I am writing for my sake, you please ignore, don't consider. I have to use some special syntax. I want to talk to compiler with some special syntax, that is forward 2 slashes. What do you write? Forward 2 slashes. Okay, slash. Now when you write forward 2 slashes, this is called comment. What we call comment. Comment means don't comment. Comment means what? I am telling something. Don't tell about anything. Don't comment. That is a wrong comment. Good comment. Remember? So when you say comment means what? Don't read it. Just it is hiding. So if you want to tell to compiler, don't read one line in the program. Don't compile one line in the program. So what should I do? Just you have to ignore. For that, I should use one special syntax. Compile. Then what happened? Program compiled or not? Yesterday I told you check empty Java file can be compiled or not. Should I have class keyword or not? Did you try it or not? Empty Java file is also compiled. But a dot class file created or not created? Not created. Dot class file if you want to create, class name is required. Na? What the dot class file name? Class name dot class. When there is no class, dot class file cannot be created. So tell me now, can I create a Java file with just one dummy lines? No. If you want to write some dummy statements other than Java, anything you wanted to write, that you should write inside a comment. So tell me what this special syntax is called? Comment. Next, I'm writing multiple lines like this. I'm writing multiple lines like this. I have written multiple lines. Then when I write multiple lines, what should I do now? Will compiler compile or not compile? Not compile. Compiler software started throwing error one by one, line by line. This line wrong, this line wrong, this line wrong. Then what should I do? I have to comment. All 4 lines I have to comment by using comment. Then tell me what happened? Compiled successfully. But if I have 100 lines I have written, 100 single comment using it's a repetition or not? And in future, if you want remove, again 100 times I should type, 100 times I should remove. That's why Sun Microsystem has given one special comment to us. Start with /* and end with what? /. This is called what? Also comment. But what is the difference between this comment and this comment? This is called single line comment. This is called multi-line comment. This will comment only one line. That means it will ignore only one line. It will ignore how many lines? Don't say multiple lines. Maybe one line, maybe multiple lines. Based on double quotes start till the end of double quotes found, it ignoring all middle characters or not. Similarly, wherever /* is started, from there onwards, all the lines are keep on ignoring. How long? Until /* is found. Now tell me, this is /* I am writing here. How many lines are commented? Only one line. Remaining lines will start getting compiled error. Yes. So if you wanted to comment multiple lines, I have to use /*//. But using multi-line comment, can I comment only one line also? Yes. Can I comment multiple lines also? Yes. By using single line comment, how many lines I can comment? Only one line. By using multi-line comment, how many lines I can comment? Multiple lines. Everyone understand? Single line and also multiple line. Like multi-line, there is also another syntax is there. This is also multi-line comment. But can you please notice the difference between multi-line comment and this new comment? Multi-line comment starts with /*, 1 star. This comment will start with what? /*. Then what is the difference between this one? This is just a comment. This is a document comment. What comment? Document comment. So tell me, what is this? Single line comment. What is this? Multi-line comment. What this is called? Document comment. That's all. This chapter completed. What? Completed? Yeah, simple. Tell me, what is a comment? Comment is a comment. Right? What is a comment? Double slash, /*. What is that? Special syntax. Tell me, what is a comment? A comment is a special syntax. I cannot say, yeah, comment is a comment and it's not good. Okay. A comment is a special syntax. Why comment? Comment is used for ignoring some lines of compilation in the program. Using comment, I can tell to compiler some part of the lines no need to compile, ignore it, don't generate any bytecode. Next, how many types of comments we have? 3 types of comment. Single line comment, single line comment, //, multi-line comment, /*//, document comment, /*//. Sample program. Okay. How means what? Sample program. This is a syntax. How are syntax? How are syntax? How single line comment slash star then text. Next multi-line comment slash star then text, one line or multiple line. Document comment slash star star text, one line or multiple lines. Sample program with the comments. Everyone understand? Really? Right. Write down. Develop a program. Develop a program. Develop a program to show the usage of all three types of comments in adding two numbers. Develop a program to show the usage of or use of or usage of all three comments in adding two numbers. In adding two numbers. Everyone tell me. Now I'm trying to type the code down. This is the Java file. What is the name of the Java file we are saving this program with? Edition.java. Now go to command prompt, compile this program. Is this program compiled or not compiled? Come on guys, fast. Compile or not compile? Compiler. Not compile. Why? This text cannot understandable to compiler. Then it will throw compile time error. Class, interface, enum or record expected. Now, this sentence I have written for compiler JVM sake, for my sake, for my sake and for the other developer sake. Then tell me, should I allow compiler to read or ignore it? Ignore it. Then what should I use? Comment. Which comment? Either single line comment or multi-line comment. But which one is recommended here? When use which comment? When we use which comment? Tell me, we should use a two lines. So multi-line comment I am using slash star star slash. Understood? Save below. Save this program as edition.java. Right up. Place comment now. You also start use clearly comments and everything. This program is meant for showing the usage of comments only. All three lines place in one multi-line comment. Now let's start writing class addition. Don't write 1 minute. After completing this question, wait, don't write. Class addition, open bracket, closed bracket. Tell me now, this class addition you are writing in a company for your sake or for other developer sake? In a company, complete project developing by one developer or multiple developers? You are writing one class will be used by other developers or not? How other developer knows why you are writing this class? What is the purpose of this class? Understand my point? Suppose you go to Amazon. Where are you, Amazon? Go to Amazon. Say, this is not bad. Browser, where are you? Browser. This is what? Amazon.in. In Amazon, I wanted to buy these shoes. And tell me, suppose footwear I want to buy, these shoes I want to buy. When will you buy the shoes? After getting some information about the shoes, na? Blindly by seeing the name SHOES buying. No, you are seeing the color and style of the shoes. That means the information, na? You are getting information about that shoes. Click on this. And then now you come to here. There are different types of shoes are there. Okay. Something, okay. I wanted to buy this shoe. Then click on this image. Then here, again, many shoes are coming. Okay, I want to buy these shoes. Click on this. Observe now, this shows which company shows. I'm not asking company name, read. Concept, I take an example connecting to the current topic, right? That mind you should have. You came to Amazon to buy the shoes. OMO, talented people. This is our class. What is the name of the class? Class shoe, open bracket, closed bracket. Now, this shoe information. This shoe is a company of which company? Lancer. What is the star rating of this shoe? 3.7. Okay, how many ratings are there? 4,503. And what is the percentage of discount you are getting? 60. What are the other colors are available? What is the description of this shoe? That means this entire information, what you are seeing, is it a description of this shoe or not? How can we provide a description of an class? How can we provide description of a program or a class? By using doc comment. By using doc means what? Documentation. I want to provide some documentation about my class. Why I am writing this class? What the purpose of this class? Who written this class? When written this class? For which client I have written this class? Complete details about your class if you want to provide. Some documentation if you wanted to write, then we will use what? Document comment. What is this? Document comment. How many types of comments we have? 3 types. Comma. What is the purpose of those comment? Slash star 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 slash is called Java doc comment. What comment? Java doc comment. What the use of it? It is used for providing information about the class and its members and its functionality. Clear my point? Then now tell me, I am writing the class called what? Addition. What the purpose I am writing? This class is used for adding given to maybe numbers, maybe strings. I don't know. This class is used for performing adding two given values. What are those values? I don't know. Who developed this? At the rate author. Okay, whenever you're writing some information, we write what? At the rate. At the rate author. Who is the author? HK. HariKrishna. Okay. Okay, na? This code available since it is available from 1.0. Okay, this project version, first version is 1.0, available since. If you want to provide information about this class, we will use what comment? Document comment. So tell me, what is the difference between doc comment and multi-line comment? Multi-line comment meant for commenting multiple programming statements. These are programming statements or description? Description. Okay, if you want to provide some description about the class, multiple lines, then we will use what? Doc comment. Sir, if I use multi-line comment here, what happened? Something happened, I will tell you. Okay, now something happened, some problem is there. So for providing description to the class, I should use doc comment. Is it clear to everyone? Write down this as it is. Have you completed this question? Okay, down. Amma? I will tell you, write down. Completed a comment only, don't write class. Only up to here. And tell me, inside this class, I want to create one method. You don't know, but I'm writing, okay? How to write main method, tell me? You don't write, okay? Public static void main of string array args. What the purpose of main method? Main method is meant for writing logic or executing logic. Then where we write logic. Like main method, we can also create our own methods. Okay, na? How to create our own method? In a method creation, public, mandatory, syntax wise. When I remove public static, did you get any error? No. Why? Mandatory. Main, mandatory. String array args? Not mandatory, right? So if you want to create a method, mandatory award, return type, method name, parameters. Method name should be main, our own name I can choose, our own name. I'm taking name as add. Void add of, inside I'm writing system dot out dot println. I want to take my own numbers. Int a equal to 10. Next, int b equals to 20. Next, int c equals to a plus b. And now I am writing c. Everyone understand? I have written this program. Everyone should participate and listen and answer. I have written this code, save this program, compile this program, and given this dot class file to other developer, calculator developer. Then other developer will call our method and execute. 100 times he called this method. 100 times it is adding what numbers? Come on, faster. 100 times it is adding what numbers? 10, 20 only. And 100 times it is adding same two numbers only, na? Tell me, if you take your real calculator, is this real calculator is adding always 10, 20 only, given numbers? Tell me, is it never have the numbers with it? Always asking the user to pass the given numbers, then it will add, isn't it? Tell me, your application is dynamic application, static application, static application, because it is always working with same values. If a program is always working with the same values, then that program is called what? Static nature program. The real calculator is a static nature or dynamic nature? Dynamic nature. Some people are not replying. Nana, reply, Nana, please. Nana. Static or dynamic? What the meaning of dynamic? Other people are answering, you are not answering. I'm using so many new vocabulary. If you don't reply, if you don't talk, you cannot catch that words. Clear my point? Speak, okay? Speak. Any speaking problem? No, no? Come on, reply, okay? If you have any speaking problem, then I can excuse you. If you don't have speaking problem, still if you are not speaking, you'll face so many difficulties in the class. First 2 weeks are different, next coming 2 weeks are different. Next coming 2 weeks, you are in programming. Lot of points you are learning. So first day itself, if you are ignoring talking, next classes you cannot understand. Please try to open your mouth. Don't only use your mouth, then brain will be active. Come again. Your addition program is static because it using only same values. The real addition program is dynamic because it is allowing us to change value working for any given number. And tell me, this kind of program accepted in the companies? No. Now you have two options. Unfortunately, unknowingly, you have written this code and given to client and other programmer, whoever. Then other program has seen this code and asked, no, I want what do you call accept the values. This program should accept the values I am giving. I don't want the same fixed values. Then what will you do? I have two options. Option number 1, remove this logic and write again. Option number 2, comment this logic and write new logic. Which option you choose? Remove or comment? If I remove now, in future, he may ask write this logic again. Then in that case, I have to retype the entire project again. Na? That's why once you write the logic based on the requirement, if they ask for us to change, which is the right option? Remove or comment? Comment. How many lines are here? Multiple lines. Is it a description or is it a logic? Logic. If it is a description, I have to use what? Which comment? Document comment. But is it a description or is it Java code? Java code. Java code multiple lines. If you want to comment, I must use multi-line comment. Understand the difference between doc comment and multi-line comment? If you want to comment description of a program, then use a document comment. If you want to comment the programming statement, then use what? Multi-line comment. So tell me now, I want to write add method one more time. Void add up. This time you want to write fixed value programmer, take value from the programmer. If you want to take value from the programmer, this int A, int B should write in the parenthesis. Are you catching my point? If you want to fix the values, create that variables inside the method. If you don't want to fix the values, I want to take value from other programmer, I have to write the same variables inside parenthesis. Understand the difference between body and parenthesis. If write variables in open bracket, closed bracket, body, other programmer can pass the values? No. Always this method execute with fixed values. If I want to take values from other programmer, what should I do? I should take the variables in the parenthesis. Repeat once again. If I write variables in the body, these are called just variables. What we call? Variables. If you write the same variables in parenthesis, we should not call them as a variables. We must call them as parameters. What we should call? Parameters. समझ में आया? हाँ. Tell me, if you take values here directly, we call them as just values. Now I want to pass values to the parameter. How? You should take main method here. Okay, main method. Public static void main of string array args. String array args. Listen. This is calculator, Abba. Is this calculator automatically adding the given numbers? No. Just I open calculator. Is it automatically performing addition, subtraction, multiplication? No. What you have to do? Click on the button. Plus, minus, into. You should click on the button. Clicking on the button is nothing but calling. What, Anna? Calling. Just by creating the method, method is not executed. After creating method, you must call. How to call? You should choose method name, parenthesis, copy, and in the main method, you should place here semicolon. Here, what is written? Method name, parameters, take it, copy, and place what? Semicolon. Now, what we call it as? Method calling. Tell me, can I directly write a method calling like this? No. Compiler throw it, it's a description, right? So this description is a single line. So I can use what? Single line. Understand? Right. Save it. Now, in place of int A, what I should write? Value 10. In place of int B, what I should write? Value 20. So tell me, this 10 and 20 are called values? No. They are now called as arguments. What they called? Arguments. Tell me now, this 10 is going on storing inside A. This 20 going on storing in B. And tell me, here A and B are called arguments or parameters? Parameters. And tell me, here A and B are called what? Variables. Here 10 and 20 are called what? Excellent. 10 and 20 are called what? Values. Understood? If you assign something directly to the variable in this line, we call what? Value. If the same value you are passing from parenthesis, what we call? Argument. All these are what? Description only. But how many lines of description there? Single line. I can use multi-line comment or single line comment? Single line comment. Understanding? This example is what? Along with the new words, we are using what? Comments. Comments usage in the program. I want to provide small description, single line comment. I want to provide multiple lines of description, multi-line comment, either document comment, your wish. Okay. Now the question, tell me, what logic you write inside? Inside we are writing system.out.println, system.out.println semicolon. What you write now? Int C equals to A plus B. What is right? Int C equal to A plus B. C I have written. Okay. All the people understand? I am removing these part. I don't want to focus much on here. I am deleting all these things. Now, please try to answer this one also removed. Only focus on the main points. Tell me again. I want to provide description to a class. Then what should I use? Document comment. I want to comment multiple lines of programming statements, multiple lines of programming statement, multi-line comment. Listen, if I write system.out.println, see, if you want to execute this line, first of all, I have to call this method. This line is called calling, this line is called creation. Then 10 is stored here and 20 is stored here. And now 10 plus 20, result 30. C value is what? 30. SO plain C. C is display what value? 30. When 30 is printed on the console, can user programmer understand what is that 30? No. Client can understand what is that 30? No. 30 is age, 30 is value, 30 is what? Don't understand. So client has asked me, Are bhaiya, I want some description along with the 30. Then what should I do? I should remove this line. Come on, come on. Why are laughing? Why are laughing? Am I joking anything? And then why are laughing? Not you. Answer fast. Why are you laughing? Stand up. Any friend there? This corner. Not he. Why you are seeing this side and keep on laughing? Last 10 minutes I am seeing. Like a mad fellow, you are looking there, smiling. Looking there, smiling. Why? Now also smiling. Why? Amma? Nothing. Are nothing. Why you are smiling, bhaiya? Kitakatalu coming? Teligana? చెప్పు ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నావు? అది నీ హ్యాబిటా? నవ్వటం హ్యాబిటా? సిచ్యువేషన్ సంబంధం లేక నవ్వుతూ ఉంటావా? నార్మల్గా నవ్వుతున్నావా? ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నావు అని అడుగుతున్నాను. అందరు సీరియస్ ఫేస్ పెట్టుకుని ఉన్నారు, నువ్వు ఒక్కడే నవ్వుతున్నావు. ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నావు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. చెప్పు, కామెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ కామెంట్? Hey, don't talk, please. Why you are talking when I am talking other student? The line describes about the class is called comment. I didn't say that statement. How many types of comments are there? How many types of laughings are there? Anka? How many types of comments? 2. Crying laugh, happy laugh. Inka? ఏ ఊరు మీది? వరంగల్. కూర్చో. Come on guys. This line I don't want. Should I remove this line or I should? Which comment? Why single line? Is this a description or program statement? Program statement I have to comment either by using single line or by using multi-line. So what should I use? Single line comment. Then down I am writing system dot println of the addition of. The addition of. Can I use the printf method? The addition of percentage %d and percentage %d is percentage %d. What I should write here? Comma A, comma B, comma C. All right, save it. Tell me, did you get clarity on single and multi-line comment and document comment? Save this program with the name addition.jar. Now let me compile. If I compile this program, are there any compile time errors too in the program? Where is this command prompt? Clear screen, Java C, addition.java. Any compile time error? No. I want to execute. If I execute, is that add method executed automatically? No. Output, no output. Why? Because I didn't call it. If you want to execute addition operation on the calculator, you are giving value 80. Click on what? Plus 30. Then click on what? Equal to. Until you don't click on equal to, is that operation performed or not performed? Not performed. So in Java, what is that? Click on the button. Click on button is nothing but calling method. Which method you want to call? Add. With what values you want to call? 10 comma 20. 10 will go and store in first parameter A. This 10 is what? Argument. First argument stored in first parameter. Second argument is stored in second parameter. Then the logic A is reading the first argument 10, second argument 20, add both value 30, stored inside C. And then now which statement executed? The commented SOP and here, or the uncommented, the statement outside the commenter, outside comment. Is the compiler JVM execute this commented C? No. Then next line, the addition of percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. A value 10, B value 20, C value 30. Let us go and see. All ready? Ready? Can you talk to a person who not born yet or dead? Can you talk to a person who is not having life? One statue there. Can you go and talk? Hi, how are you? Possible? Not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. In Java also not possible. In Java also not possible. Okay, do one thing. Go to Google, search for me. My photo will come. Talk to my photo. Hi, Hari. First fellow, what are you doing? Huh? Today in the class, you scolded me. You pointed me. Anyways, you cannot scold me directly. You can scold my photo, no? Yes or no? That way you can take revenge on me. Huh? Nowadays, students are planning outside. You rara, you come outside, How dare you to force me to study in the class? You come outside. Right. Then now try to answer. Can you talk to my photo? Photo there, but life not there. Same way, listen carefully. Method is there, but it doesn't have life. Sir, in C language, method has life, sir. It is Java. Why you are comparing with C and Python? Java. Java is different. In Java, just by creating a method, it doesn't have life. Java point of view, life means memory. How can we provide memory? Declare it as a static. So tell me, last class, all people ask, in main method, why static, sir? Static is meant for providing memory. If you want to call a method and execute its logic, it must have memory. What the memory? How can you provide memory? By using static. Understood? Right. So inside main method also we have what? Static. Why static there in the main method? To provide memory to the main method. Who will call main method? JVM. If a main method doesn't have memory, can it call or cannot call? Cannot call. Suppose I am removing this static here. Then tell me, is main method has memory? No. Go to command prompt, compile it. Any compiled error? No. Execute it. JVM will scold you. That tumri fellow, that main method doesn't have memory. How can I call her? Main method is not static in the class edition. Please define it like this so that it has a memory I can call. Now I'm making it as a static. So now what happened? This main method has a memory. Now either you can call or JVM also can call. Similarly, once you define your own method, if you want to execute, you have to call. For calling purpose, what we required? Memory. To provide memory, I have to declare this method as static. Save it. Go to command prompt now. Is there any compile time error now? No. Because you provided memory, you are able to call. Is there any JVM execution now? Sorry, JVM exception? No. Executed successfully. We got output. The addition of 10 and 20 is 30. समझ में आया? Pakka? Write on this program now. And then I'll explain you some more points I there to explain. So that we can complete our comment chapter. Now tell me, have you written this comment already? Right. Class edition. First method completed. Did you place in comment? Okay. Online students, did you understand? Okay, okay, write down, write down, write down. Someone asked the question, what is the difference between document comment and multi-line comment? That person got clarity? To provide description, we use document comment. For commenting programming lines, we will use multi-line comment. Ganesh Reddy, when I'm explaining, don't write notes. When I ask you to write, then write notes, okay? When I'm explaining, if you write notes, then method explanation completed. Bhavana, you are in which chapter? Comments. Where did I explain method? Sumant, what should I explain? Which line you want me to explain? Did you join just now? What is this line meaning? Calling add method. Calling add method. How are you calling add method? By passing two arguments, 10 and 20. Two arguments, 10 and 20. Tell me, how will you comment this one? This is within the logic or outside logic? Hey, you are writing this comment within the logic or outside logic? Within the logic. When you are writing description within the logic, that description also you should provide by using single line or multi-line. Understand? So tell me, here will you use single line or multi-line? Multi-line. Again repeating, when to use what do you call, when I should use a document comment for providing description? Only when you are writing description outside of the method. Outside of the methods, if you are writing description, then use a Java comment. If you are using description inside the method logic, inside the method body, Java doc, you should not use either single line comment or multi-line comment you should use. Understood? Tell me now, what is this one? This is a method calling, a method definition. Method definition. So this is what? Method definition. Now tell me, you are providing description outside of the method, inside method, inside. This is a method definition. So tell me, so what you write now? Method definition. Method definition, you are writing inside description. So I use what? Single line comment. Add the single line comment here. Method definition. Lakshmi Prasad, both are same. Only difference is place you are writing. Write down. Method definition means creating new method. Creating a new method. creating a new method. Dhanasri, if you don't write main method, how can you execute this method? Ma? Inside main method, logic. This is what our own method. Our own method, how can I write inside another method? This is one method. And this is another method. Two different methods. We cannot write one method. For executing this method, I should write inside this method. This is calling. Now tell me, what is the flow of execution of this program? What you write? Java addition. Correct? Execution purpose. Then JVM will go to addition class. Which method? Main method. Step number 1. Then inside what you did, you have written add of 10, 20. What the meaning of add of 10, 20? Calling. Calling means what happened? When I call Babu, he's responding. Na? When I call you, are you responding to me? Now you are a add method. I am the main method. When I call you, you are responding. Na? That means my voice is coming from my mouth to your ears. There you go. This is my mouth. From my mouth, control is coming to your ears. Which method is coming? Add method. Add method to here. What the values are coming? 10, 20. What is stored in A? 10. What is stored in B? 20. Understood? And then now this line executed. What the A value? 10. What the B value? 20. Both are added, and what is stored in C? 30. Understood? Next line executed. What is the A value substituted here? 10. What the B value substituted here? 20. What the C value substituted here? 30. Understand the flow? And then finally, output is displayed on the console. Write on that flow of execution. I will explain one more time this entire flow. Current concentration is on logic execution or comments. Current chapter is comments. You are deviated from comments to other stuff. Comments, where I have written. Now in this program, I want to provide description where inside coda, outside coda, inside method, outside method. Outside method, I want to provide description. What should I use? Java doc comment. Inside method, I want to provide description. Then what I should write? Single line comment or multi-line comment. Next point. I want to comment programming statement. Also, I have to use what? Single line and multi-line comment. Write on this arrow marks. Flow of execution arrow marks also, right? I will explain the complete notes. I'll dictate. Step number 1. Step number 2. Calling this method is step number 2. Step number 3. It is going to add method. From main method is going to add method. Step number 3. Step number 4. 10 stored in A. Step number 5. 20 stored in B. Step number 6. C logic executed. Step number 7. SOPLN is executed. Totally 7 steps are there. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Amma? What is object? Object is method. What is object? I don't know what is object. If you explain, I can explain. Sorry? Forgot. Then why you are reminding? When you forgot something, why you are bringing back? Why you know? Why you are bringing outside knowledge to the class? You should come to the class with empty brain, no? What I taught, that much only you should take. Extra masala if you add, problems will come. Object we didn't cover. That will come next. Shohib Inamdar. Is it your first class? Then why you not understand? Which step you didn't understand? Tell me, I'll explain. Bhavana, did I teach how to create a method? Why extra masala you are adding, Amma? Did I explain method chapter? Okay, do one thing. Everyone, online students, offline students, everyone, please try to talk. Is this understood? Okay, is this understood? Is this understood? Is this understood? Is this understood? That's all, completed. Okay, na? Why I have written this? None of your business. Type as it is in your system. If I don't write it, how can I explain the multi-line comment example? Understood? Why I have created this program? To show you the, develop a program to show the usage of all three types of comments in adding two numbers. To add two numbers, I should write a program. And I should show the usage of all the three comments. What the use of document comment for providing description to a class. I have written on the heading. Okay. Next, I wanted to comment. What do you want to comment? Programming statements. Multiple lines I want to comment. Where I can write multiple lines? Inside a method. So I have written one method. How to write a method? You don't know. Just type as it is. This is called method. First, I have written this method. I don't like it. What you do? You have two options. Remove the method or you comment the method. Comment. Completed. Why you are understanding how to create method? I don't understand. Current chapter is how to create method. How to use comments. That's what the problem with you guys. You are going out of the context. Online students, I am telling something, you are asking your questions. Please stop asking questions and focus what I'm saying. Tell me, this is a logic. I don't want this logic to present in my class. I have two options. Remove it, place it. Which one you want? Let it be there, but let not execute. What I should do now? Comment. What comment I have to use? Multi-line comment. Next, I am writing the method in a different way. Either you write this or write this. This is called what? Method definition. Whenever you see, what you should say? Method definition. Now tell me. In this method, what I want to do? I want to take the two numbers, add those two numbers. Printing. While printing that number, how many lines will come? One line. I don't want this line. What should I use? Single line. Okay, now? In place of single line, what I want? Multiple lines. Okay, now two lines description I have replaced. Two options. Remove it or comment it. Comment. Okay. Once I write logic outside of the main method. Once I write the logic outside of the main method, is it automatically executed? No. What should I do? I should call it. How can I call? By using the name. I taken that name and it is expecting the first value, passing first value. Expecting second value, passing second value. What is this? This is a method call. You don't know what the meaning of this line. That's why I'm providing what? Description. Tell me. Now this is a description. You don't know what is this. I'm telling it is called method definition. What the meaning of method definition? Creating a new method. Can I write this? Create a new method directly like this? No. Compiler will throw error. Now compile it. Throwing error hai, kya hai. Now I should tell kuch nahi. Okay. How can I tell to compiler kuch nahi? Comment it. So compiler feel kuch nahi, okay, I don't read. And then now compiler throw error for this line also. What should I do? Clear screen, compile it. Now what is doing? Throwing error for meaning of this what? Now write comment. What is this? Write comment. Then tell me, will you get compiled error? No. Now compile. So I have written a program. Why you are worrying about the logic what I have written? Concentrate on current topic. What is the current topic? Comment. Now you don't know about what is this. I want to provide description. Where are you providing description? Inside method or outside method? Hey. These are inside method body. Open bracket, closed bracket. You are writing inside. That means what? Inside. If I write description inside, what comment we use? Document commenter, single line, multi-line commenter. Single line or multi-line comment. Listen, I want to provide description to this method outside. Outside and where? This line, starting line before. Tell me. Here I want to provide comment. This method is used for taking. Okay, is used for adding two integers and prints that result. ఇప్పుడు ఏ కామెంట్ వాడాలి చెప్పండి? I should use single line, multi-line, document, doc comment. Why? Because I'm writing description outside. So what write? /star. Raja, అర్థమైందా? When to use single line comment, when to use multi-line comment, when to use a document comment. If I want to comment one program statement, if I want to comment multiple programming statements, I should use single line and multi-line. I want to provide a documentation description, I should use a doc comment. If you want to provide documentation within the logic of the method, inside the method, that time also we will use single line comment or multi-line comment. If you want to provide description, then only we should write outside. Outside you should write, then only you should use document comment. Understand points? Let's write the notes now. Still any doubts, online students? Offline students, still any questions? All points are clear? Online students, if you have still questions, please ask. Shall I proceed? Okay. Tell me, first point, what is a comment? Right, check. Already 10:50, yeah? Okay. Can you write these notes by your own if I upload these notes? I want to see these notes in your notebook. Pakka? You have to copy so that time will not be wasted. Look, I'll show you the notes. If you feel lazy and if you don't write notes, you will face difficulty coming classes. Look at here. Comment and types of comment. What is a comment? Listen, Nana. After class. Don't do after class works in the class, okay? Still you are in the classroom. Only do classroom work here. A comment is a special syntax using which we can inform to compiler some part of the code no need to compile. Listen. And also using comment we can provide description to a programming element or a statement for other programmer or only for us to understand in future. Tell me now, I am writing this description for whom purpose? For my sake and for other programmer's sake. I am commenting the statement for compiler's sake, not to compile. So comment is used for comment. A comment is a special syntax. It is used for informing to compiler some part of the code no need to compile. Also it is used for providing some description to programming element for other programmer purpose. Okay, na? Next, we have how many types of comment? 3. Single line comment, multi-line comment, document comment. What the use of single line comment? Single line and multi-line comments are meant for commenting programming elements and statement. Programming elements means variable, method, constructor, like this all called programming elements. And statements. Statements means whatever you are writing inside the method. Whereas document comment is meant for providing description or documentation for programming elements. Understand the 3 points? All the 3 points based sample program you have written. Once again, I provided here. This is a documentation. Documentation providing inside the logic, outside logic, outside. So what should I use? document comment. I am writing this description. Description you provided inside method or outside method? Outside method. Outside method, na? Outside method. Outside method means what I should use? Document comment. Okay, document comment I have to use. Inside method I am providing description. What should I use? Single line or multi-line? This is a small program, but I have given the notes complete program. Okay, na? So hope all you people understand comments. Got confidence? Pakka? Tomorrow, I will share my life experience of the company. 2 minutes I'll spend the time and tell the importance of the comments. If you don't use comments properly, your life will be commented. Muted. Okay, na? So please practice today example in your system. Type this program as it is. How many programs I explained today? 2. 1. Comment.java. Number 2. This is Amirpet. Adyaksha. This is Amirpet sample program. This is High-Tech City project. Both I have explained. So expecting both you have to practice in your system and by heart these 3 points and come. Okay, na? Thank you. That's all for today class. Hope you all enjoyed. We have started logical programming unit number 2. Logical programming. Thank you.
HTML క్లాసెస్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ టైం కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు
ఆఫీస్ అడిగితే చెప్పు
సార్?
ఆఫీస్లో అడిగితే చెప్పు
ఓకే సార్.
నాకు ఐడియా
అది కూడా ఇంటే 60 days కదా సార్? సేమ్
ఆఫీస్
If I write SOP F high plus 5, the output is high 5. And if I write SOP F high project is D 5, output is I 5. What is the difference between this two?
First one is
High,
print method you are using.
yeah.
First method you are using print.
Printer.
Okay. If you use both printf only, printf of
High
double quotes high
plus
plus 5 you have written. Okay. How many arguments you have used here?
1.
Only one argument. Which argument? String. Did you use any format specifier? No. Then what the meaning of this? Concat this 5 with high and give that string to printer. Then printer will verify are there any format specifier? No. Then it will print as it is high 5.
Print F high
High percentage D
5.
comma 5 you should write now. Plus you should not write. If I write comma, then you are giving what? String to printer.
Yes.
Then printf method is verifying are there any format specifier? Yes. Then this percentage D replaced with 5. So while working with the printf, you have 2 syntaxes, either with the plus operator or with the comma. If I use a comma, you must use format specifier. If I use a plus, you should not use format specifier.
Output is
Output is same.
we can use both either
Yes.
one and that.
Yes.
In MVC architecture, in notes, you explain design pattern and solution. What is the meaning of this sentence? I couldn't understand.
Okay. Now tell me, this is my text. In the text, I want write comments. I want write here about comments. Something I want write. This is types I want to cite. This is the problem to all faculties. I have written some text. Again, I want to talk about one particular word I want to highlight and explain. For that, I need what? One image editor. One drawing tool we require. That drawing tool is the design pattern. I develop a project. I develop first project, second project, third project, fourth project. In all projects, I am facing the same problem. Then same problem when you are facing, there should be one common solution to all the problems or not? Or there should be one expert who develop many projects. Then that expert should tell, see Mr. Java developers, when you are developing project, this problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3, there are 21 problems I have identified. whenever you are trying to this problem solution, follow this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, so that you will not face this problem and a project will execute fast. This solution step 1, step 2, step 3 is a technically called what? Design pattern. Like this, how many problems identified? 21 problems identified. All these 21 problem solutions together, we are calling one course called what? Design patterns.
Have to design the pattern.
You don't need to write anything, already design everything. Just you identified your first problem, then this is the solution I should implement. In your project, you identified third problem, then this solution you have to implement. Clear my point? That's what I'm telling. All trainers having a one common problem. What is that? Drawing something on the text. To draw something on the text, I need one drawing tool. The drawing tool already developed by one company. What I have to do? I should again develop the drawing tool? No, I have to install it and use it. So that's it. This design tool, drawing tool is called what? Design pattern. Yeah, just example I am giving. Understood?
The again in MVC, you told that first you have to design the database. Then afterwards you have to design the model. So this is a diagram was right. How this work like so I couldn't understand this flow like user.
The meaning is, this is the execution flow. This is not the design flow. Design flow is
The that one.
this one, first database, then following by model. Model components, first operation, creating table. Second operation, insert the data. Third operation, select the data. Fourth operation, update data. Fifth operation, delete the data. With all these operations, we have program ready. So first step, database following by model. Then if you wanted to store data, everything, first of all, we have to collect the data from the user. For the collecting from the user, second step, what? UI design will be there. Okay, UI, what is the forms, what are the reports, what the collect the input from the user, what the output should display to the user. All the details will be decided here. Now this UI components and model components has to be connected. For connecting purpose, in middle, we are writing what? Controller. Connecting controller, taking the data from the UI and giving to model. Model taking the data from the database and giving to the UI. So what the first step? Model. Second step, UI. Third step, controller. So that's why this architecture is named as MVC. So this is development architecture, design based on design. Based on the design of the components, architecture is named as MVCs. Okay, and next, flow of execution. What the flow of execution? First, end user, after develop this project, what happened? End user interacting with the user. User means what? This UI screen. This UI screen for the project user, customer or end user or customer interacting with the user. This user is talking to whom now? Controller. Controller. User uses controller to submit the data to the project. Then controller, with the help of internal core Java program validations and calculations, perform the manipulations. Manipulations means what? Validations and calculations. If you want to perform validations, calculation, for example, you are giving username and password. Now, username, you give some X, password, some Z. Then this username password is submitted to whom now? Controller. How controller knows the given username password right or wrong? That is information available in database. So how can we get the data from database? By using model. So controller is giving that username password to the model running the select query. If the row is coming, that means this username password correct. If row is not coming, username password wrong. Then controller performs manipulations with the help of model components. Model components has generated result what? Records available, not available. Records are not available. Then what information should give to the user? Invalid username password. If data is available, your email, inbox mails will be there. Inbox mails I have to update to the user. Then how this model can send either error message or result to the user by using again report components. Report components is nothing but view. right? Model component update. Update means what? What the data we got here? Error. Error will place inside view components.
That will show to
Then that view will show that to that. Okay. Now here when I username password correct, we got what? Inbox mails. That inbox mails are updated wherein view, another view. This is error view. This is inbox view. Inside inbox view, all the mails are substituted. Then this inbox view will be taken and showing to us. Okay. This view page sees user means browser. Browser display that information. So this is a flow of execution and this is design flow. Understood?
So one last is when we are printing print blank.
Hmm.
They're
Error.
showing error. Print stream. What is print stream?
Print stream is the class in which that method is available. Now, add is a method available in which class? Addition.
Addition.
Okay. Sub is a method available in which class? Subtraction. Print is a method available in which class? Print stream. Okay.
వేరియబుల్ ఎట్లయినా డిక్లేర్ చేయొచ్చు సరే ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్ వితౌట్ మెథడ్ తీసుకోకుండా ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్
ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేశారు ఇంటి అని క్రియేట్ చేశారు మరి దానికి వాల్యూ ఎవరు పంపిస్తారు
ఇప్పుడు వేరియబుల్ ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ అంటే ఇంటే ఈజీ
ఇక జావాలో రాయలేము సిలో రాయొచ్చు జావాలో రాయలేము నెక్స్ట్
స్టెప్ 1 అని ఇది లాస్ట్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్ మెయిన్ మెథడ్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ లో ఎందుకన్నా
ఇప్పుడమ్మా
ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇది అన్నారు కదా ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తాము ఇక్కడ నుంచి అలా వస్తుంది అని చెప్పారు కదా ఈ స్టెప్ మనం ఫస్ట్ ఎందుకన్నా
రాసుకో ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు
గూగుల్ క్లాస్
ఈరోజు జాయిన్ అయ్యారా
జాయిన్ అయ్యాను ఇప్పుడు ఆబ్సెంట్ అయినా
ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ Yeah, you can write single line, multi-line, your wish. Syed Amir. Every daily you are attending class now. Why you are missing the class? Google Classroom. Mail ID.
మేరీ
Online students? Are you there? Any doubts still you have? Yeah, so first I have to clear offline students' doubts and then I will clear online students your doubts. Okay, na? So if you have doubts, please wait end of the class. Thus, if today is your first class, you cannot understand because already we are in the programming. Okay. If you are IT background, then only you can understand. If you are non-IT background, you cannot understand. Are you from IT? Do you know already how to write Java program? How to compile, how to execute, and then you can understand. Today class got clarity? Yeah? Okay. One second, I'll share Google Classroom code. You can join. Okay, use this link to join class. Yeah, previous recordings also I'll share. First join. Any other student have doubts? Please use a hand raise button. I will share. I mean, raise hand button there now. All your doubts clear? Shall I wind up? Okay. See you all tomorrow, guys. Bye.